Hello everyone. This is a review of a United flight I took a few months ago. I flew from Newark, New Jersey to Dubai in 14 and a half hours in United Polaris business.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
After a quick check-in, I moved towards security, which I also went through fairly quickly. I stopped in the Polaris lounge, but there wasn't much for me there. Wasn't really interested in the food, and it was decently packed, so I figured I would make my way towards the gate. And just like that, it was basically time for boarding. I don't see a reason to get to the airport very early if I have a business class ticket. It just seems like a waste of time, and it's time that I could be spending doing other things. I chose seat 15A, which is the last seat in United Polaris, but it is a seat closer to the window. As I got to my suite, you have a couple of pillows, a blanket, a comforter, all by Saks Fifth Avenue with the United branding on it, as well as an amenity kit. This flight wasn't particularly crowded. In fact, a decent amount of the cabin was empty, which was perfect for me, as I was on my way to Pakistan and I was very, very intent on getting some sleep.
Oh, so you know the deal. All right. Okay.
6:35 scheduled arrival time. Once we get to the airport, the best chance of any kind of turbulence along our route is initially near as we depart.
And just like that, it was time to push back and get airborne. Before I headed to sleep, I figured it was a good idea to go through the Therabody amenity kit that United gives out in its Polaris suites. Comes first with a pair of socks. After the socks, you have an eye mask. This package is called TheraFace. TheraFace includes different moisturizers for your face and for your eyes. A soft tissue. Earplugs, a toothbrush and toothpaste, a pen, and that's it. I was eager to get to sleep as soon as I could, so for me it made sense to just throw my bed together by myself, close the windows, and try and get some sleep. I lied down and then was approached by the flight attendant, who brought me some water and asked me if I wanted anything for dinner. I respectfully declined, but I couldn't resist a little bit of ice cream. It's one of my favorite things about flying United Polaris, is just getting the ice cream. A quick stop in the bathroom before I went to sleep, and The United business class bathrooms are not particularly exciting, but they are clean. They come with some nice soaps, moisturizers, and some clothes degreaser, which is nice if you're getting off the flight and going directly to a meeting. I was not. United Polaris has such a comfortable product. It's just insane that I was able to sleep for about 10 hours straight. I woke up over Saudi Arabia, close to Kuwait, very close to Dubai. And with that, it made some sense to wake up, brush my teeth, and get ready to have some breakfast. And the breakfast on United was 10 out of 10. Banana and chocolate French toast with a fruit salad, croissant, water, Greek yogurt, anything I could have asked for. It was just perfect. I looked outside over the Saudi Arabian desert. I slept so well on this flight that I almost ran out of time and didn't get to show you around the suite. So here you have some storage with some headphones, a mirror, some water, a light, the nice widescreen TV, which was very, very nice for the couple minutes that I used it, a little more storage where I kept my shorts, a decent amount of leg room. As you can tell down there, I have my personal stuff, my laptop. Really comfortable. 3 windows essentially to myself. Here we have some reading material, as well as some slippers. And a hanger for your jacket. As we move over here to the control panel, you can lean your seat forward or backwards or into a bed with the dial. You can turn on the light. As well as the tray table, which was plenty big. You can see my fingerprints on it just from how cold it was. United keeps their flights decently cold. I love that. And after what seemed to me as the quickest 14 and a half hours of my life, it was time to land in Dubai. Dubai has essentially become my home airport, as my main carrier is Emirates. Emirates and United have this partnership, and it just made sense for me to fly with the United to Dubai and then switch onto Islamabad with Emirates. I'm so lucky to be able to use this airport all the time because, in my opinion, it's just one of the best out there. And off we went. Thank you for watching this video. It's tough to film these night flights just because you sleep so much of the time. But I hope you stick around, hope you subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.